In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Gmail address the right way so you can stop sending emails to the wrong contact or getting bounce back errors. This is a super common issue, and most of the time the problem is something small like a typing mistake, an old saved address, or the wrong email saved in your contacts. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is check for typing mistakes. This might sound obvious, but it's the most common reason a Gmail address fails. Carefully look at the email address and verify every part of it. Check the spelling of the name, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address, and double check that the domain is correct. For example, someone might accidentally type .com instead of .net or leave out a letter in the username. Even one small error can send your email to the wrong place or make it look like the address doesn't exist. Next, if Gmail keeps suggesting the wrong address, you'll want to remove any saved autocomplete addresses. Start typing the email in the to field inside Gmail. If the incorrect suggestion appears, look for the small X next to that address and click it to remove it from the suggestions. This helps clear out outdated or incorrect entries that Gmail may have stored. After that, type the correct address manually instead of clicking the old suggestion. This is a simple but very effective way to stop Gmail from autofilling the wrong contact again and again. After that, confirm that the Gmail address actually exists. If you're still not sure whether the address is valid, the best option is to ask the recipient to verify their correct email address. Sometimes the issue is not on your end at all. The person may have changed accounts, made a typo when giving you their email, or simply shared the wrong address by mistake. Having them confirm the exact email spelling can save you time and prevent future delivery issues. Now, if the address was saved incorrectly in your Google contacts, you should update the saved contact. Open contacts.google.com in your browser and sign in to the Google account you use with Gmail. Once your contacts load, search for the incorrect email address or the name of the person you're trying to reach. Open the contact, click Edit, and correct the email address so it matches the right one. Then click Save. This is important because if the wrong email is stored in your contacts, Gmail may keep pulling up the incorrect version every time you start typing the name. Once you've done all of that, try composing a new email and typing the address again. If the spelling is correct, the autocomplete suggestion is fixed, and the contact information is updated, you should now be sending to the right Gmail address without any issues. If the message still isn't going through, it may be worth asking the recipient to check their inbox or spam folder, but in most cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, check for typing mistakes, remove saved autocomplete addresses, confirm the Gmail address exists, and update the saved contact in Google Contacts. These steps will help you fix Gmail address problems fast and keep your contacts accurate going forward. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.